Ladies and gentlemen, what I have for you today is truly special. I personally haven't seen anything like this in over 16 years of doing real estate. We have a family home that's been fully renovated, a separate granny flat, and on top of that, a separate fully equipped business setup. I can't wait to show you through. Let's take a look. Outdoors is an entertainer's dream. We have a huge pergola area with its very own spa, and behind me, we've got the granny flat. This is my favourite part. We've got the separate access through to the business setup. Let me take you through. Currently set up as a hair salon, however, you can make your own. Equipped with water and electricity, you have the option to either start up your own business or have a secondary granny flat.